Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. K is for cookie. It's good enough for me. K is for cookie. It's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, cookie, cookie starts with K. Let's go. Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix 400 series featuring Caps Kooky Quartet, okay, for 14 years old and above. And as you can see, there is a window where you get to access the 4 figures included in this particular 400 series. We have Captain America on the side and Hawkeye, and we have Scarlet Witch and Quicksilver. Okay, so we have to get this because we are an X-Men fan, and we know, of course, Scarlet and Quicksilver are both Avengers and X-Men. But I'm just praying they have an X-Men keyword. I'm not so sure. I actually haven't looked at these particular characters yet. But the scope of these characters are coming from the Smash and Destroy set. Okay, so let's take a look at a quick description. Relive the classic comics era with Marvel Heroclix 400 Caps Kooky Quartet. Heroclix 400 is a great way to get a team of characters ready to battle right off the box. These figures add up to a 300 or 400 point team ready to take on any opposing force. The Star-Spangled Avenger Captain America has assembled a new lineup for his team: expert marksman Hawkeye, hat-headed speedster Quicksilver, and mutant mystic Scarlet Witch. But can this motley crew overcome their differences to save the day? If any villains underestimate this squabbling squad, they'll meet a truly mighty force in Caps Kooky Quartet. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing. This product was released, by the way, 2024. Okay, but I'm getting it 2025. That is totally fine. And we have here the 4 figures. Let's take them out and have a closer look at them. Okay, I know this is a good product because there's very playable in a sense, and at the same time, what you call this? Okay, sorry for that. We were cut off by the phone's alarm. So we're gonna look at the products one character at a time, starting off with Quicksilver. Okay, Quicksilver, as you can see here, is KQ. Okay, KQ003 with the Avengers team ability, Avengers Pass and Speedster keyword. Unfortunately, no X-Men. So Caps Kooky Quartet is, I would imagine, the shared trait. When Quicksilver hits, after resolutions, choose one, remove an action token from a friendly character with the Avengers team ability, or heal a friendly character with team ability, set team ability, one click, which is very, very powerful because you can heal. If you play multiples, I guess you can heal them multiple times as well. And a second trait, keeping the team moving, unique modifier, other friendly characters that have the Avengers team ability modify speed +2. Okay, so he himself has 11 speed with precision strike, close combat expert at 100 points, but he does have a 75 and 25 point line with improved movement, hindering and elevated rather, and characters, and a special defense power. I'm running circles around ya, combat reflexes, super senses, and wheel power. Okay, so Pietro Maximoff. Okay, so he's really good, especially I would think at for me, the 75 point line, perhaps, because of that precision strike and that special defense power, even consideration for 100 points Quicksilver. Okay, so maybe equip him with a, what you call this, destroyer armor for 20 defense. Not too shabby. Okay, so the next one that we're gonna look at is his sister, the Scarlet Witch. Okay, excuse me, with 2 hands in the air like she don't care, with a special KQ004 set number, Avengers and Mystics team ability, Avengers Mystical Pass keywords, that Caps Kooky Quartet trait, and a second trait, teamwork is magic, other friendly characters with Avengers have Mystics. That's really powerful. And you can see the dial over there. All of them, I think, have 175 and 25.9, if so that you can use 4 as 400 team or 3 for 300 points. And Hex, Vex, and Perplex is the special damage power. Outwit, Perplex, Prob Control, the best 3 support powers. Probably use her at 25 points with TK, EST, and Facing Teleport. Okay, 4 range 2 targets, and that special damage power is the sweet spot for Scarlet Witch. And then we go with Hawkeye, KQ002, Avengers, and Shield. Avengers Marksman Pass, so better equip him with a Trick Arrow for free. Okay, that Kooky Quartet trait. And a second trait, just try to make me look good, okay? Other friendly characters that have Avengers have Shield to Mobility, which is really powerful, boosting all of their range when they are clustered together. Improve targeting, hindering, and characters. And a special damage power, whatever you say, Glamour Pants. Maybe, I don't know who's he referring to. Maybe Captain America or Quicksilver. Range Combat Expert. And free if Hawkeye is adjacent to a friendly character that can use leadership, make a range attack. Okay, so by the way, friendly character that can use leadership. So most likely, that would be Captain America. Clint Barton is, of course, the name. Okay, so really strong. Tempting to use that 75-point line because of the free attack. But 25 points seems to be a good point value as well, with the sidestep and RCE with energy explosion. Okay, and finally, the leader of the squad, the leader of the Kooky Quartet, Captain America. Okay, so we have KQ001, Avengers Team Ability, Avengers Invaders Pass Soldier keywords. Okay, has that shared trait, obviously. And a special attack power, Shield Bank Shot. Range, choose a square within range and line of fire that is adjacent to blocking terrain or elevated terrain. Okay, so it's gonna bank off the shield, I guess. Make a range attack as if Captain America occupies the chosen square. When Captain America hits 2 or more characters with a range attack, instead of normal damage, he may deal each hit character equal to his printed damage value. And he has 3 range. Okay, 3 range and 3 targets. But again, you can extend that with a blocking or with a terrain or a hindering terrain. Hindering or elevated or blocking terrain. You can extend that to 6 actually, so not too bad with a running shot. And printed is 4 at the beginning, so I'm tempted to use him at 100 points. He, by the way, has improved targeting, elevated, and can shoot even when based. And the special damage power is leading a team of Avengers, leadership, Perplex. So with Scarlet Witch, using him at 100 points, you do have double Perplex, I guess. Okay, so it's nice to use them. Maybe for 400 points, I think they're really strong. 100 points for 100-point line each, and again, it's a right off the back team. And we also have, of course, one of the most sought after piece for the set, which is the team up card for Captain America, which is the first Avengers team up. When establishing teams, character with the pass keyword gain the Avengers keyword. Then if Captain America is on a Avengers team, okay, friendly characters with the pass keyword have Avengers this game. Okay, so meaning not just can use but have the Avengers team ability, so that means they can benefit from the Caps Kooky Quartet and all the other all the other goodies from the 25-point line event of all this quartet. Okay, so probably, and pass is really strong. You have, of course, the Masters of Time dinosaurs, which are passed. We have Perdegaton, I think, and other goodies are passed. Okay, so Avengers are really strong right now because of this team up card. If you're gonna use this, you might want to use Captain America at 25 points just to use this team up. First Avenger for teamed. Okay, so that's it. that it's Kooky Quartet. What do you guys think? Do you already have this? If not, you should. Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye. K is for Kooky is good enough for me.